Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send an image to someone on WhatsApp as a one view image. Like if you want to send an image to someone and you want the person to view that image once, you need to use the one view feature. So in case you don't find the one view feature on your WhatsApp, I would advise you to go to your Play Store if you're using Android, or App Store if you're using iOS, and search for WhatsApp. Then when you search for WhatsApp, you update it to the latest one. Then click on open. So once you open it, you click on the chat and you click on the image where you want to send to the person as one view. So now let's say this is the image I want to send to this contact as a one view. Then click on the one view option down below here. Then once you click on it, it will tell you photo sent to view once. Then you send it to the person. So that's just how you can send an image or a photo to someone as one view. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel.